A Veeam proxy server is configured as shown. No modifications allowed to the transport mode when performing a restore of a thin provisions VMware virtual disk on an NFS data store using this proxy server. What transport mode will be used? Okay, well, let's see what options do we have here. So automatic selection, no. Direct storage access. Okay, so we can't change this. And let's say it's on an NFS data store. And we have failover to network mode. So there's essentially only two options here, right? It will have to be either direct NFS, right? Remember, direct storage access essentially could be direct SAN, which is block storage, but it's not because it's NFS, or direct NFS, which it will be because it's an NFS data store. Or because if there is some problem here, it could fail over to network mode. So virtual appliance is going to be wrong, right? Because it's not selected. So it's going to be either network mode, direct storage access, or direct NFS. Feel like this is probably not correct. Direct NFS or network mode is what we'll want here, right? Technically, this is correct as well. So I'm personally not very happy with this. This should have been like direct SAN access or something instead, because technically this name here also includes direct NFS access, or it's trying to somehow trick me that I have to select from this list. This is not, I would say, this is not the best what we have here, right? Okay, let's go up here. So we know it's on NFS, and Veeam proxy is configured as shown. Well, campaign changes, performing a restore. The problem here is we don't have enough information to actually answer this question here. We just don't, because let's ignore the fact that we have two answer options that could be correct here, right? Technically, both of these could be correct. That's a problem. But let's ignore that for a moment. The only thing we know is we have a proxy, could be physical, could be virtual, completely unimportant. And we know that the radio button is set to direct storage access. So we know it will try to use direct NFS via this direct storage access option. But we don't know if it has access via the network to the NFS environment. If it does not, it will fail over to network mode. Since we don't know if it has that or not, we can't correctly give an answer here, actually. But I think what I would select is direct NFS access here. That seems to be what I would prefer, but this is honestly not a fantastic question here, to be completely frank.